Okay, who loves doing laundry? I've been through all the different stages, from having the chair in the corner of the bedroom piled with stuff. When the kids were small, you know, they'd be 5 minutes before they had to go to school, "Mum, where's my clean sports kit?" Or maybe you can't sit down and relax in the evening because the sofa is full of things that you need to fold. I've got good news and bad news for you. The bad news is, yeah, laundry is never ending, but I have 5 laundry hacks for you today to make it simpler, plus one thing that if you just do it for 2 minutes every day, your laundry will never be a problem again. So if you are ready for that, let's dive in to the laundry basket. Diane and Denmark here, rah rah rah. If you are tired of being tired, if your house is a mess or your life is a wee bit chaotic, I hope you will subscribe. I'm your online motivator and I'm helping you just to simplify life so you've got more time for all the good stuff. 5 laundry hacks plus a little tip to make sure you never have laundry problems again. Number 1, do your clothes even need washed? Where we've got to stop that thing of overwashing our clothes, where we're wasting too much time, money, sucking the life out of our clothes. So me, for example, today's sweater, I will wear that several times before it gets washed. I don't wear it 2 days in a row, but usually I hang it up or I steam it, just air it. It's the same thing with things like jeans or trousers. And of course, use your common sense here. If you've got a little spot on something, maybe you can just do a quick spot clean. If it's something that's very obviously dirty or smelly, soiled, then of course you're going to wash it. Laundry hack number 2 is to use a smaller laundry basket. That really stops procrastination, because when the laundry basket is full, it means time to put on a wash. And the problem with some of these humongous baskets is that it's just psychological. You see the kind of huge basket and you think, oh, I don't have time for that. So smaller basket, less procrastination. Woohoo! Okay, laundry hack number 3, we're getting closer to the machine now. We're going to simplify our categories, because we can overcomplicate things. How many different types of wash are you doing? Are you doing one for delicates, hand washing, towels, cleaning rags, sports gear? We've really got to simplify things. And remember, it will depend on what stage of life you're in. If you work on a farm, use your common sense here. But me, I simplify at the moment. We have a hot wash, which is anything like sheets, towels, kitchen rags, all those things go in a hot wash. And then I've got my lights, anything which is a light colour, which the colour will not run. That's one which is a cooler wash. And then I also have the darks, which go in a cooler wash. That is it. 3 categories, no more. Right, we are ready to start the washing machine, but wait a wee minute. Laundry hack number 4. We want to wash smarter. And what I mean by that is, you know, we want to save time, money, energy. So instead of just, you know, going for the programs that are on your machine, something that I quite often do is I will customize things to myself. So maybe, for example, with the hot wash, my laundry, my washing machine will wash at 60 degrees or 90 degrees. But I don't need to be going for hours and hours. So I will start the wash on 60 or 90 degrees, put a wee timer on my watch or on my telephone, and after 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I stop the cycle and I reset it for a rinse and spin. So don't be a slave to your washing machine, what the programs that are there. Change it up. You can easily adapt it. In the past, I would be hand washing stuff, but you can just put it on a very delicate wash, run it for 5 minutes, again, stop the cycle and then do a spin. Laundry hack number 5, and then we'll get onto that 2-minute tip, is the actual putting away. We've got to make that easier for ourselves, because I know a lot of the procrastination is like, oh no, now I have to put it away. We can make that simpler. When you take things out of the washing machine or out of your tumble dryer, we don't have a tumble dryer, so I hang everything. Put it immediately onto hangers. Also makes it so easy just to put laundry away again. When you're folding laundry, fold it by family member, and then that way they can take their laundry and put it away. And if you've got that problem, well, yeah, okay, we've got it ready to be put away, but there's no space in the drawers, there's no space to hang, then you need my decluttering videos. I'll put a wee link to those up there. And when our kids were small, I would put the laundry on their bed. So it was just like a visual clue to them that no excuses to put it away. And I like to iron a lot of things, but the wee tip about just putting it straight onto the hanger as soon as it comes out of the washing machine or the dryer really cuts down on ironing time. Right, so those were our 5 laundry hacks. Now I'm going to give you this 2-minute motivation boost. So what you're going to do is you're going to set a timer for 2 minutes every day, and we're going to do a laundry reset. Because the problem with laundry, and you're feeling overwhelmed with it, it's not the actual washing. I mean, you're not down at the creek, you know, the thing with the stone. The machine does it. The problem is actually completing all these cycles. That's where the struggle is. That's where it gets overwhelming. So every day you're going to have a 2-minute laundry reset. And what that means is when you come home from work, do you need to put on a load of washing? Have you got an overflowing basket? You're going to check, is there laundry in the machine, in the washing machine, that needs to be put into the dryer? Have you got clean clothes that are actually in baskets but they haven't been put away yet? Is tomorrow the day that you wash towels? Have a quick look around and gather up everything that you can. So it's just 2 minutes, but having this little daily laundry reset will stop things from piling up, and you'll just be able to start every day fresh. And I always suggest with any of these kind of routines or habits, add it onto something that you're already doing. So maybe for me, it's the first thing in the morning, I go and get my morning coffee and I'm either putting on a load or I'm doing some ironing. Maybe you want to do it as soon as you come home from work, before you start dinner, before you sit down and watch your favourite TV programme in the evening. Just 2 minutes. Put an alarm on your watch, put an alarm on your telephone, set up alarms around the house. It's just 2 minutes, but hopefully you're seeing that it just feels achievable. We're just doing one small task, but we're making things keep going. And as I said, the laundry is never ending, but once we're into this little habit, it's a psychological thing. It is so much easier. So what has been your struggle? Has it been the putting things away? Is it just even that mental load of thinking about that huge washing basket and having to sort into 10 different loads? If you want to make a change right here, right now, set a timer for 2 minutes and go and look and see what is the next thing that needs to be done, okay? And the other thing that you need to do is make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm going to go and reset my machine because I'm doing a wash at the moment, and I'm going to stop it and do the quick rinse and spin, and then I can hang up my laundry. I shall see you later in the week. So all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the laundry, lol, LOL, hooga be with you, and I shall see you later in the week with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.